Hello guys, and welcome once again to another YouTube video where we share with you the codes. Remember the codes that algorithm and the codes that govern the crash and boom indices. If you remember, in our last video we spoke about crash 300 and boom 300, and we told you we actually showed you that crash 300 we are simply waiting for the change of character, and the pullback we're into the demand before we buy. Then once we buy, our first target is going to be this level here, which is this previous high here. Second target, it's there all the way at the top there, all the way at that supply at the top there. That would be the second target. So first target, second target. Remember, this is going to be a swing buy. So currently now, what I like here on the daily, it didn't break, it simply came and wiped out liquidity, which is a good thing, but we know that on the 4 hour and other lower time frames, the market is already actually giving us that change of character, meaning once we have lower time frame confirmations for entry, will actually enter. Then as the daily will now do fully the change of character here, that's when it's going to give us a pullback before it continues all the way up. So this is what I'll be expecting. So once we now have lower time frame confirmations, no need to wait, but simply we need to jump into the opportunity once we now have those. So this is the demand that I spoke about in the previous video. If you didn't watch the previous video, go back to the previous video, and you actually see that we spoke about the market coming back into this demand before we start buying. Many people were already buying, and I actually told them relax and wait for the market to pull back into that specific demand. So right now we're in the demand. We just need to go down to 4 hour, go down to 1 hour, and look at any other extra confluence or extra confirmations. Once we now have those ones, it means our trade will now be valid to be taken just now. So this demand here, if you check, that was the only one that was not tested. This one was tested, this one was tested, this one was tested. So the only demand here not tested on the 4 hour is this one. This is the only demand, or the only order block, that was left behind, which was this one. So it's actually in confluence with the daily demand there, right? First point here. Then if you check on the 4 hour, we already have a change of character now. Where is our change of character? Is this one, because this was our previous internal lower high. This one, according to 4 hour, this was a lower high because it broke this previous low. This previous low is the one that broke internal structure, meaning this was now our lower low. So this high was now the lower high according to internal structure. If you check here, it has been broken, market broken, closed above. So on 4 hour already we know that we have broken, and it means 1 hour, 30 minutes, whatever, we have already broken as well. So this trade, it's actually a beautiful opportunity that I'm seeing here. It's going to be a swing trade. Remember, I've also added another confluence, which is my Fibonacci. It's exactly on my 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level there, which is a very beautiful level. So my first target, remember, I'm going to target this order block there. That is going to be my first target, which is around 100%, around negative 100% level there. That's my first target. Second target, it's obviously once we break the market can give us a pullback before it continues going up, but that's our first major target, meaning this is a trade that we can actually hold for the next couple of days, still profiting in our direction, in our favor. So confluence number 1, change of character. Confluence number 2, pullback into 61.8. Confluence number 3, demand zone. Confluence number 4. What is confluence number 4? You can actually see that I actually have a trend line as well there. That is number 4. So you see the number of confluences that I have already on this particular trade. So if ever you cannot enter on the 4 hour, maybe because you don't want a bigger stop loss, right? Maybe you don't want a bigger stop loss. All you have to do is to go down to a lower time frame, go down to 1 hour, go down to 30 minutes, go down to 15 minutes. Once you have those entry confirmations, and if you want to know much more about my entry confirmations, feel free to contact me via my WhatsApp number in the description below, and through that WhatsApp number you'll be able to contact me directly and join our mentorship program where we talk about all these entry criteria and all these strategies concerning crash and booms, concerning US 30, concerning Nasdaq, concerning almost every pair, whether it's a currency pair, whether it's a what. So we'll be talking about that. So this trend line here is our fourth or fifth confirmation, fourth or fifth confluence. So here, change of character, we came back into the zone, right? So now what more do I want to see? I want to see this other move happening. I want to see this market. So doing this, it means it would be generating momentum now. Once I see it breaking this one, I know that any pullback into any demand or any order block or any fair value gap is now just more entries. Then we fly all the way up. I'm expecting it to come and break this first level, break that first level, maybe give us a retracement before we continue all the way to our target at the top there. So this is a beautiful trade, guys. Those that know me, they know that whenever I give a signal like this publicly, I mean real business. I mean serious business. I don't just talk. I don't just talk. When I talk, I mean serious business. When I talk, I mean serious business. So all the way there. So this one it will be your fifth or your sixth confirmation. Once you get this this internal change of character there, once you get that internal change of character, it's a sign to show you that now we are now shooting all the way. We are now shooting all the way up. We are no longer consolidating. We are no longer playing. It's now time to go up. So that will be the sign. So this sign, once you see this happening, know that price is now flying all the way to the moon. Price is now flying all the way to the moon. So this is what we're currently looking at according to 1 hour. This is the demand. Let's go down to 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Let's see if ever we can get something, if ever we can see something from there. Right, this is 30 minutes. This is 30 minutes. It's simply the same thing on similar thing on what do you call this. So this is the zone. Let's see if ever we can get. So on 30 minutes, we this was the demand here. So this was the entry. You could have entered a very beautiful entry based on this demand here, based off this demand here, this demand, 30-minute demand. Once it was touched, you could have actually entered a sniper entry there. Your stop loss just below the zone. That was the first opportunity, right? That was the first opportunity. Second opportunity, as I've said, this move, it has to happen. So second opportunity is this one. Once we break here, which is a change of character, get a pullback, we fly, we come and break here. Once we break there, we get a pullback, then we continue flying up high to that level that I showed you, to that target that I showed you, all the way to the top. So it's still the same thing, but just some obviously when you're using 30 minute, 15 minute, it means your stop loss is actually smaller. So this one here was a sniper entry that you could have actually entered. Right now, the next high probability entry, wait for this change of character here. It tried to break, it failed, right? We're not considering this was simply inducement. This was the level here, failed to break first time. So second time, if ever it fails to break, it means somehow it might still play around before breaking. But once it breaks here, once the body breaks and closes above here, get a pullback into any order block, demand, fair value gap, whatever, blah 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 blah, we buy. That one will be the next confirmed entry. Next confirmed buy entry is after this move. After we change character, pullback, then we buy all the way, we break that previous high, maybe get a pullback before we continue all the way up. So this one is going to be a swing trade. Personally, I'm going to be holding all the way. So currently I'm in because of this entry here. I'm simply now waiting for this confirmed these much more confirmed entries, that's where I go aggressive. So far I'm still in conservative trades. Those are trades that are not aggressive. Those are not aggressive trades, but just trades that are just reserved with the normal risk, normal day-to-day risk that I use. So the aggressive entries, I'm going to enter them after this confirmation that I'm telling you about. Once it changes character there, change character, pull back, then boom, that's when I'm going to enter my aggressive buys. So far, relax, chill, relax and chill, relax and chill. If ever you know that your account is small and you don't want to be part of unconfirmed entries, wait for this break here. Once this break happens, pull back into any demand order block, fair value gap, then you can actually buy and join the rest of us. So this one we are holding all the way to the top, all the way to the top. So guys, our strategy is so diverse, it's so diverse, it's very accurate, works on crash and booms, works on currencies, works on Nasdaq, US 30, works on any pair, whether you're trading crypto, you're trading stocks, you are trading futures, whatever you're trading. Our strategy, it works on any pair, because it actually shows you, the effect of the institutions on retail traders, the effect of the institutions on retail traders. Because remember, it is the institutions that move price and not the retail traders. It is the institutions that move price. So the way they move price knowing that we have retail traders to manipulate. So our strategy, it covers all the manipulation, manipulation techniques of institutions are covered in our strategy. If you want to be part of my team, feel free to contact me through the WhatsApp number in the description below. Feel free to also reach out to me through my WhatsApp number there. Reach out to me if ever you want to be part of our focus mentorship. Feel free also to reach me there through those numbers in the description. If you want to be part of my team, join our Telegram link in the description below. There's also a WhatsApp link there. Join us, where we share this quality relevant current trading strategies, that are working and that will continue to work for the next 5 to 10 years to 20 years in the industry. Trading strategies that are relevant according to the current market conditions. This is what you need. This is what you need to actually be consistently profitable. You don't want a situation whereby you make money today, you lose money tomorrow, make money today, you lose money tomorrow. That is not the kind of trading career that you must be having. You must be having consistent profits each and every single day. So remember what I said here. Simply wait for this. Once you get this change of character here, pull back, you enter your buys. All the way we hold, all the way to the top, top target that I showed you. So guys, that is it. Wait for that. If this doesn't happen, if this does not happen, this market can still play around. It can still come play around with people up until it breaks that and goes. So wait for that a change of character to happen. Once it happens, know that we are now going all the way up, So guys, thank you for watching. Share the video with as many people as you can. If you have anyone whom you know that who is trading crash and boom indices, share the video with them. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, because this deep stuff I'll be sharing. If you check from our first video where I was talking about these codes, you can actually check the consistency in everything that I say. The market moved exactly on almost every pair that I analyzed ever since day one on the videos. It was actually respected. They were actually being respected. So it's all a matter of you being consistent with our videos, making sure that you don't miss any single video. That's why you must subscribe and click the notification bell on, because this is quality content that your mentor might not even give you. Most of them, they don't even know about this. They're even shocked. So it's something that it's simply free value that I'm giving away, out of my generosity, out of my generous heart, to see you making and flourishing in the trading space. So guys, thank you for liking, thank you for sharing the video, thank you for doing all those things, and thank you for watching and keeping on watching our videos as we keep on. So join my community. The links are in the description below. My WhatsApp number is also in the description below. Join me and my community. Let's make money together. Let's make this 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 money together. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. See you in the next upcoming video, as I will be showing you and breaking down what happened. If ever the market moved our way, I'll actually be showing even some profit as well on that crash 300 trade. So guys, thank you. See you in the next upcoming video.